Which modifications is appropriate under what circumstances? Nature of matter gives rise to modification. When financial statements are materially misstated, then we shall check that the misstatements are material but not pervasive. Then we use qualified opinion. And if the misstatements material and pervasive, then we use adverse opinion. Second situation, when auditor is unable to obtain sufficient and appropriate audit evidences, then the possible misstatements are material but not pervasive. Then we use qualified opinion, and the possible misstatements are material as well as pervasive. Then we use disclaimer opinion. Generally, disclaimer opinion is used when there is a restriction on the scope of audit. Before modifying his audit opinion, auditor should communicate to TCWG and management as per SA 260 regarding the misstatements identified during the course of audit and provide them a reasonable opportunity to adjust or correct the same. Factors or matters which will help in deciding which modification is appropriate under what circumstances. When the nature of matters giving rise to the modification, such as financial statement are materially misstated, whether auditor is unable to obtain sufficient and appropriate audit evidences, the auditor's judgment about the pervasiveness of effects or possible effects of the matters on the financial statement, that whether it is material but not pervasive or it is material as well as pervasive. Change in the audit report format when there is a disclaimer opinion. Change in opinion heading. Auditor should use "we were engaged to audit" instead of "we have audited." Auditor shall use the statement that "we have not been able to obtain sufficient and appropriate audit evidences to base our opinion." Auditor should use "we do not express opinion on the financial statement." Changes in the basis for opinion para. Auditor should include only reasons for modifications. Therefore, general points regarding to the compliance of SA, independence and ethical requirements are not included in the basis for opinion. Change in the auditor responsibility para. A statement that auditor responsibility is conduct an audit in the entity financial statement is accordance with the essays and it issue an audit report. A statement that, however, because of the matter described in the basis or disclaimer opinion section, the auditor